Happy New Year! I've got 4 New Year resolutions for 2024. Number 1, try to get to COP29. Number 2, survive for 1 week in my Project Zomboid world. Number 3, help save the world with all my friends. And the one I want to talk about the most today is going fully vegan for 1 month. I'm going to do 1 recipe a day for 1 month, and I'd love for you to join me on my journey. I also have a super cool guest joining me later this week, so subscribe and stay tuned. Did you know that just going vegan for 1 month could save 281 kilograms of harmful carbon dioxide emissions and the lives of 30 animals? In my family of 5, that's more than 1,400 kilograms of carbon and 150 animals. Imagine if everyone did that. Vegan diets result in 75% less climate heating emissions, water pollution, and land use than diets in which more than 100 grams of meat was eaten a day. Vegan diets also cut the destruction of wildlife by 66%. But if we all went vegan, scientists believe the world's food-related emissions might drop by 68% within 15 years, saving nearly 8 billion tons of CO2 equivalent, limiting catastrophic climate change. You don't even need to do it every day. You could start small with a meatless Monday and give it a try. Just doing it once a week could save 143 kilograms of CO2 per year for 1 person. Today I'm making a super easy smoothie to start the day. I make these all the time when I'm running late for school and my mom yells at me to eat something. You just take 1 banana, and ones that are brown are the best. I use 6 strawberries. I use frozen because they make the smoothie taste a lot better. And then 6 seconds of oat milk, which is about 80 milliliters. My favorite is Silk Next milk, and it just tastes awesome. Blend it together. Instant energy for the day. Happy New Year's!